I wonder where Rara is. Oh!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rara loves a big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rara loves a big surprise.
You certainly gave me a surprise, Rara.
I've got a big surprise for my friends too. Look! I put a tooty horn under my chair. So if anyone sits on it, it goes...
Very funny, Rara.
I just need to wait for a friend to walk past now.
Still waiting, Rara?
Yes. I know! I'll go and find them.
Have fun, Rara.
Hey! Woohoo! Yippee! Woohoo!
Rara, you made me jump. Rara, you gave us a surprise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rara loves a big surprise. I'm giving everyone surprises today. Ooh, I'm making a funny noise.
Rara, you've got hiccups.
Hiccups?
Not hiccup-ups, hiccups.
Hiccups. They make my tummy do jumpy jiggles. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Can hiccups make you jump really high on the trampolines? Can they?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Oh no! These hiccupy hiccups are no good for jumping on the trampoline.
Maybe they can help you swing really high.
Oh no! I can't jump, I can't swing, and I can't play surprise with my friends. I don't want hiccups anymore.
Oh, poor Rara. How can we make his hiccups go away? Have you got a book about hiccups, Topsy? Let me see. The Little Book of Big Problems. I wonder if there's anything in here. Here we are, hiccups. A surprise sometimes makes hiccups go away.
A surprise?
Yes, if we give you a surprise, your hiccups might go away. You go for a quiet walk, Rara, and we'll creep up and give you a surprise.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Rara. Surprise you soon.
4, 5, I'm going to get a big surprise!
Boo?
Oh, hello, Zebby. Are you going to surprise me?
I just did. Have your hiccups gone?
Maybe. Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, Rara.
That's okay. Thanks for trying, Zebby.
Maybe Topsy's better at surprises. Ooh! Boo! Rara? Where is he? Rara! Oof.
Hello, Topsy. Are you going to surprise me?
I just tried to. Have your hiccups gone?
Oh, no.
Ow, ow,
Hi, Ooo Ooo. Were you surprising me then?
Yes! Did it work?
Oh, no! I don't think my hiccups will ever go away. Oh.
Sounds like you've got hiccups, Rara.
Yes, and I don't want them anymore.
What you need is a surprise to make them go away.
Tried that, but it didn't work.
Oh, dear.
Surprise! Rara, did your hiccups go away? Oh!
Thanks for trying, though.
What was that?
I forgot. I put a tooty horn under the chair to surprise you all.
What a big surprise! Rara, I think your hiccups have gone.
You're right. They have gone.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rara had the big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rara had the big surprise.
Well done, Rara. Oh, was that you, Rara?
It was me! Now I need a big surprise.
You always get a surprise in the Jingly Jangly Jungle. Bye. See you soon. Everyone is fast asleep. Ah, isn't it quiet? Good morning, Rara. Why are you awake so early?
We're going to listen to the birds sing their dawn chorus at Rocky Wockyville. Stretchy, blinky, scratchy, yawn. The birds are going to sing at dawn.
And that's nearly now.
Let's jungly jump to it. To Rocky Wockyville.
Stretchy, blinky, scratchy, yawn. The birds are going to sing at dawn.
Rara, haven't you forgotten somebody?
We forgot Huffty. Look!
He's still sleeping. Didn't he hear the alarm clocks? What are we going to do? The birds are going to sing at dawn. And that's nearly now.
I know. I'll wake him up. Stretchy, blinky, scratchy, yawn. The birds are going to sing at dawn. Wake up, Huffty! I can't wake him up.
I've got an idea. Let's set the alarm clocks off again.
Great idea, Zebby. Come on. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
He's still asleep.
I've got an idea.
What is it?
Let's all make a jingly jangly jungle noise to wake Hufty up.
Great idea, Crocky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! He still hasn't woken up.
What's the matter, Rara? Aren't you going to listen to the birds sing at Rocky Walkieville?
Yes, but we can't wake Huffty. And we can't go without him. He's our friend.
Oh dear. If only the birds could sing their dawn chorus here at your house.
We can't bring the birds here, but we could take Huffty there. Listen, everyone. We can take Huffty with us on his bed.
On his bed?
Yes.
But he's still asleep. How are we going to do that?
Easy. We can pull him. Watch. Woo! It's really heavy. Please, can you help me?
We'll never get into Rocky Walkieville in time. Oh! We won't hear the birds singing then.
Ooo Ooo, you've just given me a good idea.
Have I? What is it?
We can use these logs to roll Hufty's mattress to Rocky Walkieville.
Good idea. But we'd better hurry. The dawn chorus is really nearly now.
Come on, everybody!
This really is a very good idea, Rara.
Thanks, Topsy. To Rocky Walkieville! Raa!
Look! Wow!
It's the birds. They're going to sing.
The birds sang a really beautiful, noisy dawn chorus, didn't they, Rara?
Yes, it was brilliant.
Scratchy, blinky, scratchy, yawn. The birds are going to sing at dawn.
Hufty, you missed it.
What?
You, missed the birds singing.
Oh, you didn't want to wake up, even when we brought you here. Oh, yes. How did I get here?
Shall we tell you everything that happened while you were sleeping? This is the story of the elephant who couldn't wake up. It was the morning of the birds' dawn chorus.
And all the animals were up early to listen to it. But Huffty the elephant stayed asleep. The animals all tried to wake him up.
Wake up, Hufty! But still, Hufty stayed asleep.
So the animals pushed Huffty in his bed all the way to Rocky Rockyville.
So he could hear the birds sing their dawn chorus.
That was a brilliant story. Now I'm glad I couldn't wake up.
Even though Hufty didn't hear the birds sing their chorus, he certainly heard his friends. And so did everyone else in the Jingly Jangly Jungle.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Hello, Rara.
Hello,
What are you doing?
I'm copying jungle noises like frogs. Ribbit. And bees. Buzz.
Oh, that's clever.
And fun. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Squawk! 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 I am saying what you are saying. I am a copycat. This game is so much fun, I'm going to play it with my friends. Bye!
See you later, Rara.
Tap, tap, tappity, tap, 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 tap. Snap, 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 snap.
Raa!
Oh, hi, Rara. I'm teaching Crocky how to tap dance. What are you doing?
I'm teaching Crocky how to tap dance. What are you doing?
That's what Topsy said.
That's what Topsy said.
Rara, are you playing a copying game?
Yes. I am saying what you are saying. I am a copycat.
Very good.
Very good.
I'd love to play, but I have to get on with teaching Crocky to tap dance. Ready, Crocky? You go. Tap, tappity tap. Tap, tap, tap.
Tappy tap dancing.
Tap, tappity tap. Tap, tap, tap.
I am doing what you are doing. I am a copycat. That was fun! I like copying tappy tap dancing.
How did we do?
We did great!
Rara, you're copying my tune.
That's right. I am playing what you are playing. I am a copycat. Wow, that was fun.
Phew! I've never played my tune that fast before.
I wonder if Ooo Ooo wants to play copycat. Bye!
Bye, Rara. I've run out of puff.
Hooray! I've finished!
Time for a bounce.
Time for a bounce.
Hello, Rara. Do you want to bounce too?
Hello, Rara. Do you want to bounce too?
Huh?
I am saying what you are saying. I am a copycat. I am bouncing like you are bouncing. I am a copycat.
But nobody can bounce like me.
This copycat can. Yay! Whoa!
Rara! That wasn't copying. And look at my banana pile.
Sorry, Ooo Ooo. I'll put them all back.
Are you still having fun being a copycat, Rara?
Oh, yes. Being a copycat is fun. I just got in a bit of a muddle copying Ooo Ooo.
Oh, dear.
Don't worry, Ooo Ooo. I'll get some help. Topsy! Crocky! Come quick! Ooo Oo's bananas have fallen over.
Oo's bananas have fallen over?
Yes. Huh? Are you being copycats too?
No, Rara. We are not being copycats.
Oh, okay. Come on then. Zebby, we need your help. Ooo Oo's bananas have fallen over.
Oo's bananas have fallen over? Yes, Oo's bananas have fallen over.
Huh? Are you being copycats again?
No, Rara. We're not playing the copycat game.
Oh, okay. Come on, we need to get Huffty. Huffty, can you help? Ooo Oo's bananas have fallen over.
Oo's bananas have fallen over? Yes, Oo's bananas have fallen over.
Now you really are being copycats.
No, Rara, we are not. Playing copycats wasn't much fun.
What do you mean?
Well, it was fun for a bit, but playing copycat did make me dizzy, and it made me puffed out.
Oh, playing copycat knocked over Ooo Oo's bananas too.
Come on, everyone. We need to help pick those bananas up. Ooh, we've come to help. Oh, thanks, everyone. What a lot of bananas. Where do we start?
I know a way to put them all back. Pass it along, Topsy.
What's funny, Rara?
You're all doing what I am doing. You are all copycats.
Finished! Hooray! Well done, Rara. Your copycats game got the job done. And it was fun.
Well done, Rara. It looks like being a copycat can be fun after all.